Hanover Park. Here we come. This is Hanover Park. I'm sure you all heard about it. Very notorious. Very notorious. Built in 1958. Sent all the wonderful people from District 6 in the beautiful CBD Cape Town. Sent them here. So you know Benny McCarthy. That man is from here as well. This is Hanover Park. Well, just a few hours ago, they shot a few people here. Where we going to actually? So, I actually just want to see what's happening. Why is this place like this? Who's this people? Look here. Dirt lying there for how long? How long is that dirt lying there for? Absolutely terrible. Kyk hoe staan hulle. Kyk hoe staan hulle. Hulle skiet hier. Hulle skiet hier. Hulle skiet klippad. Nee man. You tell me, why do the city only work for some and not for everybody? Why? I mean, we all from Cape Town. But yeah, that's not the story for now. That's not the story for now. Anyway, let's take a drive into the heart of the gangland. Let's take a drive into the heart of the gangland. Let's see what is going on here. First thing I notice, small children, 5 years old, gooien moerse bakstenen at the mense. And instead of the mommies coming, nah, it's entertainment. Kyk hoe staan hulle. Kyk hoe staan hulle. Kyk hoe staan hulle. Sjoe, ja. Nee man. This is a mooi place. Look at the view. Look at the view. Hulle het nou net hier geskiet. Kyk hier, kyk hoe staan hulle hier. Mami zoek. Mami zoek. Ja. Hanover Park. Hanover Park's laan. This is the main road in Hanover Park. You don't come here, brother. Don't think you're gonna walk here. Allah gaat jou rob. Why is it like that? Why can I go walk in Milnerton or in a Surrey Estate or in a Highlands? Why can you go walk there but you can't walk here? It's a territorial thing. Why must it be like this? Terrible man. Righto. Ons gaan kyk wat gaat dan hier. Menskot. Menskot. Mense skiet klippad hier. Ja. Ah, het is geblok hier man. Het is geblok hier. Het is geblok. Kyk hoe staan hulle so. Kyk nee man. Julle laudie. Julle laudie. Phone on. Anonymous tip-offs. Get rid of those mense. Hand over park. Hand over your shit and leave. Righto, we're coming to the Termy. Why must our daughters get robbed when they want to go to work? Why? By the men that live in this area. Terminus. Kom ons gaan kyk. Ons gaan kyk waar skiet hulle. Wie skiet? Hey brother, you don't wanna come here. This was MG, if I'm mistaken. It stands for mongrel. Mongrels. A very powerful gang. Very powerful gang. Come and take us back years ago to one line. You remember Dollars and White Pipes? Yeah. You forgot about that movie. Yeah, I was mal over that movie. Oh, Bernie. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is, back then, you heard about the Americans, the mongrels, the this, the that. Yeah. It's an overpark for you. Kyk hoe lyk dit hier op die hoek. You don't get this in other areas, man. Yeah, you'll get it in a lot of Cape Flats areas. But go anywhere else, man. Southfield, Milnerton, Rylands. One day maybe, but then they will phone in. The residents will phone in and the dirt will be picked up. You can do the same thing, man, mummies. Phone in. Yay, ward councillor. Why is this dirt here so long? Why is it here so long? It's dangerous and unhealthy for the children. Right though. Here's the hottest of hotspots. Don't try this at home. Please subscribe, that's the least you can do. Support the channel. Give a like, asseblief. Ja, hier gaat ons. Hier staan die pet. Hier staan die mense. Ja, dit is een overpark. Lekker houses on the right. Not looking bad, guys. Lekker. All different colors. Alright, lekker man, lekker. Oma selling sweets on the side of the road. Hustling. Because the government don't give enough money. Hulle werk al die jare. But when they retire, hulle kry niks. En taxi laities vir hulle. Die drug addicts. Hulle tax hulle. Mami, oma, gee 2 uur aan 'n ANC asseblief. Dangerous here, brother. Dangerous. Danger, danger, danger. Danger, danger, danger. Galilee Court. Galilee Court. Galilee Court. Ja, hulle skiet klippat hier. Some of the people, well not some, most of the people, they have to call into their jobs. Ma'am, sir, boss, I can't come in today. Why? I can't leave my house. They shooting. Nah, man. Anyway, life goes on. Right now we're leaving Lone Down. Lone Down Road. It's not the place you wanna come to, brother. It's not the place. Nah, lekker. Children going to their Muslim studies. Nice. Keep it up, boys and girls. Keep it up. Stick to your religion. It's gonna take you far. Stick to your books. It's gonna take you also far. And if you're playing sport, don't give up. Righto. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I see Metro. Metropolis. Only time you see them is when there's construction. But anyway, next law enforcement, patrolling, locking up the rapists or whatever. Next. Dead end. I'm at the dead end. See what I do for you guys. You're not doing this for me. I want you to know that you don't need to accept this. You don't need to accept this. When you see dirt laying for more than a day, you phone it in. When you see the light is not going to school, you phone it in. Hulle moet school toe gaan. Otherwise they're not gonna get the education. Yeah, man. It's okay. There's still hope. There's still hope. Kyk hoe sit hulle hier. Trakkoppe. Traks. Kyk hoe lyk hulle. Ja. Ja, byt hulle, byt hulle. Flippin' hell. Nah, man. The men's over and over park. Don't think I'm coming down on you. It's just expect better, man. For your lighties, for your children. Let them grow up in a much better environment than what you grew up in. And I promise you it's possible. Look here, kyk hier. Die vullis. Kyk hoe lê die vullis hier. Nee, man. Law enforcement, they only come for service delivery issues. Surprised to see them. Kyk hoe staan hulle hier. Kyk hoe staan hulle hier. Jesus. Hoe staan hulle hier. Kyk hoe staan hulle hier.